Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Bread Finance. This is a new company that is offering a new way to borrow money. They are offering loans to people with bad credit, and they are also offering a new way to pay back those loans. Before I get into the details of Bread Finance, I want to talk about the importance of being financially responsible. It's important to understand how to borrow money and how to pay it back. This will help you avoid getting into financial trouble. I'm going to be talking about the following topics in this video. What is Bread Finance? How does Bread Finance work? Is Bread Finance legit? What are the pros and cons of Bread Finance? How can you get a loan from Bread Finance? What are the alternatives to Bread Finance? What is Bread Finance? Bread Finance is a new company that is offering a new way to borrow money. They are offering loans to people with bad credit, and they are also offering a new way to pay back those loans. Bread Finance is not a bank. They are a fintech company that uses technology to provide financial services. They are not regulated by the same rules as banks. How does Bread Finance work? Bread Finance offers two types of loans. Bread loans. Bread credit. Bread loans are installment loans that are repaid over a period of time. The interest rate on a bread loan is based on your credit score. Bread credit is a revolving line of credit that you can use to borrow money up to a certain limit. The interest rate on a bread credit line is also based on your credit score. Bread Finance offers a number of ways to pay back your loan. You can make monthly payments, you can make a lump sum payment, or you can use the Bread Pay app to make payments. Is Bread Finance legit? Yes, Bread Finance is a legit company. They are licensed and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK. The FCA is the UK's financial regulator. Bread Finance is also a member of the Consumer Finance Association, CFA. The CFA is a trade association for the consumer finance industry. What are the pros and cons of Bread Finance? Pros. Bread Finance offers loans to people with bad credit. Bread Finance offers a variety of repayment options. Bread Finance is a regulated company. Bread Finance is a member of the CFA. Cons. Bread Finance interest rates are higher than the interest rates offered by traditional banks. Bread Finance may not be the best option for everyone. How can you get a loan from Bread Finance? To get a loan from Bread Finance, you will need to provide the following information: your name, your date of birth, your social security number, your address, your income, your employment information, your credit score. Once you have provided this information, Bread Finance will review your application and determine whether or not you are eligible for a loan. What are the alternatives to Bread Finance? There are a number of alternatives to Bread Finance. Some of these alternatives include traditional banks, credit unions, online lenders, peer-to-peer lenders. Bread Finance is a new company that is offering a new way to borrow money. They are offering loans to people with bad credit, and they are also offering a new way to pay back those loans. Bread Finance is a legit company, but it is important to understand the pros and cons of their loans before you apply. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.